Welcome back. Now we will try to know about vegetation indices. But before we talk about vegetation indices, we let's have a look at multi-band operations. Multi-band operations means a satellite image or a digital image has multiple bands. We can have some operations in between those multiple bands, like if you have band 1 of an image or and band 2 of an image, we want and it has pixels, and this band also has pixels with dn values, and here we also have dn values, and we want to create a, a third band out of it which has the pixel values added from both these. Like we add the value of this, add the value of this, and this pixel will have the value which has an added value from this. Likewise, we can subtract, we can have a product from two bands, a third band which has a subtracted value from band 1 and band 2. Likewise, we can multiply the two bands, means multiplying the values of digital values of two bands. Likewise, we can divide the values of two bands. So ratioing, coming to ratioing now, ratioing is a process of dividing the pixels in one image by the corresponding pixels in the second image. I hope you got what I already explained to you. One of the most commonly used transformation applied to remotely sensed images. Now, why this thing is required? Because one band or the other band individually may not provide the information which is required to highlight any characteristics such as vegetation. The single band image of infrared may not be able to highlight, or red or infrared may not be able to highlight the vegetation characteristics, as in case of adding the two bands, then subtracting the two bands, and then dividing the both may give you a band which will highlight the vegetation. So healthy vegetation strongly reflects in near infrared portion of the spectrum while absorbing strongly in the visible red. So visible red has to be reduced because it is strongly absorbing in that. Other surface types such as soil, water show near equal reflectance in both near infrared and red portions. So using this property of ratioing, we can have the vegetation indices as what are the vegetation indices? These are computed to eliminate the changing illumination conditions, surface, slope, aspect, and other extraneous feature factors. The vegetation indices are helpful in highlighting the vegetation content in the imagery. As I already talked about this, the commonly used vegetation indices are, this is the vegetation index where we which is obtained by dividing infrared band by red band. All the values in infrared band are divided by the dn values in red band, and ultimately what we get is an image which has the values equal to ir by r. Now another kind which is commonly used for enhancing the vegetation, highlighting the vegetation, is NDVI, normalized difference vegetation index. And first what we do here is we take two bands, infrared band and red band, we subtract the two bands first and get an output, then we add the two bands and get another output, and then we divide both the outputs. So ultimately the output that is generated will have NDVI, which gives you an enhanced look of the vegetation. It's used to monitor vegetation, detect deforestation and forest degradation, and like many other afforestation programs, to check whether the plantation activities have been carried out and as are reflected in the vegetation. Then another index is transformed vegetation index, TVI, which is similar to NDVI with some modifications in the formulae, like IR minus R, IR plus R, we have here plus 0.5 raised to power 1 upon 2 into 100. So using this formula in the raster calculator, we can get an get transformed vegetation index